Too much. Oh yeah. I can't even listen to a song. Oh yeah, this song.
My stomach hurts.
You know what's up, won't stop till I'm
What the fuck?
you young, you know something. These niggas.
I see someone taking it. Damn!
Oh fuck. Yo, what's going on?
Hey, what up, baby girl? Shit.
That's gonna be in there.
That's
a
all.
guy,
That's
bro.
all. No, that's an old man. Yeah, you already
That's the nigga,
told.
bro.
Damn.
What? Yeah.
Damn, he don't even care. He just wanna beat that shit down.
What's wrong with y'all niggas? Why y'all niggas burping?
Yeah, they're a little special. They drink too much. They did the Sprite challenge.
No, we drank too much
Sprite
beer.
challenge?
Yeah, my boy.
What was that, yo?
No! He said you trying to get freaky, gangy.
Oh yeah, I ain't never seen a nigga try to rip somebody up with belts on
What the fuck, yo?
Oh. I can't breathe.
Can you say bring that ass here?
Nah, y'all got my fucking.
Bring that ass.
I heard it.
I think this guy has had enough.
He like, oh damn. I gotta send him off with a banger.
That is a scary. Turn around. Dog, there's only 10 people in this server now. Us 4 and 6 others. I want to see where they're at.
No,
Oh,
it's
they're-
gonna be
I'm
top-rated
gonna-
server. I won't lie. Cleared out.
There's no way y'all are still in here.
If I try to go down, it just moves my
Shit,
legs.
what a baby man.
Dude, we got one guy laughing. We got a guy laughing.
Hell yeah, dude. This shit sounded airy as fuck.
Yeah, I got you.
It's disgusting.
I'm gonna put
I want to go back there. That's where we're
Optimus Prime.
Bro, we're belonged out here, bro. We're belonged out
Oh, yeah. He joined it.
Yo!
Oh, yeah.
Yo, we got Opti nigga joining. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Hey,
What about
Say something to him, man. Say something to him. Speak to him. Speak to the man.
Speak to the man. Speak to the man.
Speak to the mass.
Yeah, my boy, you said
To the mass.
Oh, not.
Why is he black? Why you actually not. Why you bald?
Bro, trying to get that lineup in the VR chat. It's looking like a military. What the fuck?
Why is you clapping,
Hell
bro?
no.
Oh, I'm not clapping anything. I was getting me an icebreaker.
Cat.
Yeah,
Same things are good. No, listen. I got my icebreakers right here.
No, I'm as black as I can get.
Hell yeah, for that musty ass bud.
I got a blick. I got some reds.
Chanel.
But
Say it again.
You know
you know what you don't got? Speakers. That's what you don't got. You're forgetting.
Gang, gang.
You're forgetting it.
Fuck yeah, baby.
Throw that shit up.
Yo, throw the gang signs up. Like, now this is music and chill, alright, baby. What's up, chicken, man? What's up, man?
My head fucking. What the fuck is
Why is your ass can't
Stuck.
dick fit? Why is your ass, bro? Why is your dick? Why is your
Oh, he getting G.
Why is your dick? You don't say he's getting jiggy.
That was hard. That was hard.
Oh yeah, I kinda heard
Shut the fuck up. Dog, hold up. I think they're laughing over there. Hold up. Let's go see.
Yeah, we cleared out. There was 20 fucking people in this lobby, dude, and we cleared all of them out.
I'm a roll
Yo, still over here.
You see my
There was
skin?
20 people and now there's 12.
Oh, I
You
forgot my
did it on
budget's
their own.
I forgot my budget's better.
Hey, I'm telling you, you still forgot one thing.
I know you got here,
Yeah, who was in Paris?
Who's in Paris?
Who's in Paris?
Niggas in Paris!
Niggas in Paris,
Alright,
dog.
that's
Hell yeah.
You know what you
So
did
without-
forget, though, my boy?
that's
You forgot the speaker.
Niggas in Paris, bro. Like, god damn.
Like, how you gonna have the
Someone put
gun,
on
the
right now.
dreads, and your skin color gonna be
Someone
black
put
and
on right
forget
now.
the
Someone
boom
put that
boom,
code
bro?
song on right now.
Niggas in Paris. Say, you
Hello,
black
motherfucker.
niggas killed you, bro.
Fucking H's are super hard
Let me
to
check
play.
my, let me check
You
my,
didn't know.
It
my
is
LEDs.
really
Let
hard
me
to
see how
break.
long it's gonna
Jesus
be.
Christ. You got
Trying
that.
to say like hello in a burp. That shit is hard.
Order
man.
packed and waiting
As
to
soon
be
as you
shipped.
start with the H.
Was packed and will be
The
shipped.
H is what gets you.
Yeah,
Every time.
The H is so powerful.
Fucking H.
Age is just a number. Remember that, boys.
Hello.
You wanna know what else
Yeah,
is a
go
number?
got it, yeah.
9-1-1, nigga.
Shut your nigga ass up, bro. I'm definitely getting copyrighted. Holy shit, don't know what the fuck! Get straight to you, bro.
Hold up, I got you, my boy, I got you.
You got that lucky music.
Shit, Captain Morocco.
I'm on Spotify, jackass. I can search up any song.
Oh shit.
I like we're not gonna throw up because we're just in the young air. That's just easy.
Better throw your fucking test.
Yeah,
Oh wait, no, I had cookies. I did eat today. Never mind.
same here.
I didn't have a fucking.
Bro, why is it hurting to... Oh, bro, bro, when I burp, it hurts my chest now. What the fuck? Ow.
You got trapped there, guys. Gotta get that out.
I'm about to start throwing down some fucking captain over here, dog.
Everyone's coming in
Yeah,
here
my
now,
boy, I'm
bro.
not gonna lie.
Fuck it.
You're right, do a check there. What the fuck? Hey, my chest not hurting no more. No, nigga, we good.
You can hear the music.
Nah,
I'm gonna
nah,
get
you
banned so fucking quick.
chillin'.
So if I get kicked, just go to a new server.
Damn.
Where did everyone go?
Nigga, no way, bro. We aired
One
everyone.
upstairs.
We aired
There's one
everyone.
upstairs.
What's up?
Yeah,
Oh, there's some people. Hey, what's
It
up?
literally says, please talk to me, dog. You can dig it or what?
What's up, my guy? Yo, stop putting your dick in her face. Yo, nigga, what the fuck?
Oh,
Dick
yo!
out, yo. Nah. Hold on. I'm gonna have to turn off your laptop. Hold on. I'm fucking recording this shit, nigga. You can't do that. That doesn't make it better.
Hell yeah.
Nigga, I'm recording all this shit, bro. I'm trying to get fucking. I already got interested, but shit. Not trying to have a dick on my YouTube channel, bro. What the fuck? Some BBC ass type shit, bro. What the fuck?
Is that a Freddy Fazbear
What
character?
is that, bro?
Get on this bed. Come buggy with us. Let's go fucking chase it
Bring
down,
that
man.
ass here,
back
boy. Let's go back upstairs. Fucking let's go, boys. Bring that ass here.
What up, mama?
What up, mama?
Bro, you gonna scare him to death, dog.
What up, bro?
Alright. This is how you get people to leave the server, dog.
Oh God.
You burp at them.
What up, little nigga?
This is how you get people to leave a server, bro.
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I joined a fucking lobby with 30 people, and it's just us and another person in here. Y'all done cleared the fucking lobby out.
Oh, yeah. Mostly me because people
Wild, bro.
don't like
But then we built on that. No, it's not what I'm saying. Yo, what's good, Middle East? Aw, damn, she muting us, bro. I think she muted us. Oh, okay. Nah. We should. She typing though. Hold on.
Me
Hold your
too,
ass up.
bro. Damn.
I don't know what the fuck that means.
You trying to
What?
Okay.
We got nothing but time, dog. Don't worry about it.
You're trying to fuck us wild.
It won't even fucking come out, dog.
Oh, fuck.
Damn, why is there so much in queue?
Oh, there's nothing here for me.
Nigga, what the
Oh
fuck?
shit, there is one.
Who's
Who's
the mod? Hey, try to exit all that shit out. That way we can play our own music. This shit is ass.
I can't.
We need
the world and been more confused in my life.
Hey, she got
This
a
server was full of like 23
Yeah.
people. Guess what? It's just us now.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
joined
wonder
the stream with
why.
30 people, and
Literally
What
us
the
five.
you guys joined, and now
Bro, that other
it's,
person literally just left.
Thank God.
I've
that
never
nigga had
cleared
his
out
dick
a
out,
fucking
bro.
server that
Around.
fast.
You
Yeah,
who's taking me
uh,
around.
yeah, he had a fucking dick.
Hold up.
I can free.
Hold up, I'll be right back.
Oh god.
Yo, bro! Yo! What the fuck?
What?
I
What,
saw an
bro?
invitation from my friends and had a message, and one of them said, I would like to join you, please. And then another one said, I want to show you my cock. Hey, yo, bro, I'm fucking recording.
Invite them both. Invite them both. What are you talking about? You know how guys are get down. Invite them both.
Are you done, my
I got them for days.
I'm gonna play the most gay shit I can.
Play Gay Cupid.
Play,
Of course
play
you know
Agora
it.
Hills by Doja Cat.
Yo, no
fucking
way you're gonna
head.
fucking play that.
Agora Hills by Doja
No
Cat.
fucking way you're gonna play that. You're shitting me, bro.
Like Fortnite, I'ma need
Sit
your
down my dog,
skin.
no way.
Don't give a fuck with a penis bin.
What's
Hell
up?
yeah.
What is it called?
Please.
What is it called?
Gay.
Hey,
Agora Hills. Agora Hills.
how do you spell Gory Hills? How do you spell it?
Agora.
Agora. Agora. Agora Hills. Doja Cat. Oh, there's no way
I'm gonna
Frost
stop
is in
recording
here.
you.
Actually, Frost is weird. We're good.